Welcome to Caves. In this video, I will show you how to create a Facebook group and managing all settings as well as group quality. I show how to add group rules and question also. So the video is going to be very interesting. Please watch full video to understanding more better. Here we always want to create a community in online world. Facebook groups are spaces on the social media network for friends or people with similar interest to discuss or share about broad or narrow topics. Okay, let's go. Go to facebook.com and log in with your account. Here I log into my account. In the side list bar you can see group options. Click and go. Here you can see an option for creation your own group. Click create new group. Now we are in group creation page. Here by giving group name and some settings you can create your own group. Okay, let's give a group name. Here I type YouTube sub for sub. Under choose privacy click public to public the group and invite some friends. After listing friends, click create to create the group. We have successfully created the group. Here we can see the group is created. We have to give group profile. Click edit button and click upload photo. Just select your photo and position the image right place by dragging image. Then click save image to save the changes. You can set up all things. You can add group description also. Write your own description and save it. You can also group add roles. In the left side bar you can find group roles option. Click group roles. Here we can see example roles. You can apply these pre-made roles. Or you can create your own roles. Here I chose pre-made example roles. Then I click create to create your roles. I want to create one new. After creating group roles, and now you have to add member questions. In the left side bar you can find member question options. Click roles to apply group roles in member questions. Click add questions to create a new question. Type your questions. You can type any kind of questions that you want. Here you can see three options for question type. Checkbox. You can select this if your questions will be checkbox type. If your questions will be multiple choice type, you can select these options. And last options is the written answer. This is plain answer based question. Here I select checkbox, then create your options. Okay, my option is yes and no. Then click save to save the changes. Okay, I will create one new questions, typing the questions and written answer. Click save. One more questions and written answer. Okay, we create 3 questions. Here we can also edit the questions anytime by clicking edit. Okay, we have to give YouTube channel link. Go to group roles and create new group. Type group title and then give description and channel link. Click save. Okay, we almost done. Now you can add more and more members to grow up your group. Maybe you like this video. Please like the video and share to your friends. Subscribe our channel to never miss our new idea.